Meaning of false rib.
False rib.
False rib.
False rib.
False rib. A false rib is a rib that is not directly attached to the sternum. Instead, it is connected to the rest of the rib cage by cartilage that allows for some movement, which helps with breathing. There are two pairs of false ribs in humans, located at the bottom of the rib cage. False ribs are important for protecting the organs in the chest and facilitating breathing, but their mobility can also make them vulnerable to injury. Overall, false ribs play an important role in the structure and function of the human body.